Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Venny, and today I have a really exciting Valentine's Day makeup inspired tutorial for you that I have created here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and did this eye. So now to start off, I'm going to be taking the shade Burnt Orange in the Anastasia palette. And with a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to be blending this out in the crease as our transition shade. And then using the same exact brush, I'm going to be taking Real Gar. And I'm going to be putting that in the same place that we put our transition color. Okay, and then I'm just going to be mixing in the Venetian Red and Love Letter together. And then we're going to focus that on the outer portion of our eye. So I'm going to pack it on with the Anastasia brush that comes in the palette. And then I'm going to just lightly blend it out. Then using the other end of the Anastasia brush, that's when I'm going to blend it out more. And don't be afraid to really extend this color and take it out towards your eyebrow, because we will be cleaning up any harsh lines at the end. Okay, so now for the fun part, I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Pigments in the shade, so I'm not really sure if this is Stunner or Pig, but see, like, it says Pig on the bottom, but then like right next to it on the back it says Stunner, so I'm not really sure. But we are also going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer to be applying that. So I'm just going to take a small amount on the back of my hand, and then using a small little precise brush, I'm going to be putting that on the part where we did not put on any eyeshadow, and kind of creating like a semi-cut crease. And I'm going to be going all the way back into the pink shades. And then taking the glitter glue, I'm just going to be putting that on. And that's how you apply that. And then I'm just going to be going back in with some Venetian Red and Love Letter and kind of diffusing the colors together so it doesn't look like it's one big harsh line. Going back in with Burnt Orange, I'm just going to be applying that a little bit more to our crease to really make all the colors blend better. Alright, and then taking the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, I'm just going to be applying a very thin line on my eyelid. We're not going to be doing any winged eyeliner today, but if you want to, by all means go right ahead. And I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So for lashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispies. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my face and come back and show you guys the final result. Alright guys, so this is the final makeup result. I really hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I think it is super cute, and if you recreate it, let me know down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!